What is up, guys? Today we have something that will make you blow your minds. We have a fidget spinner and a green one. What's the mysteries of another fidget spinner? And we have different ones that are color different. I have another Batman guy, just from the. Open first is the big guy from the Amazon. Let's open this thing. Open. What? Hey, that's mine. That's mine. I'm gonna sign up.
The price is your freedom, man.
This price lies outside our arrangements. To receive, you must pay.
All right, well, maybe no, Dark Knight.
Here is the black one. Here's this. Let's now open the blue guy, the blue one. And my brother has those kind of fidget spinners, and I have my old one. And these two.
Where is he? I'm here. Rocco? What happened to you?
I paid the price for love. Was it worth it? Do you love me?
Yes, I love you.
Then marry me. We'll travel the world, have adventures.
Let's now open the yellow. Hey, get out of here, Mom! And let's open the yellow one next. Then we're gonna make another video. Here we have the yellow one. And the pink one now we're doing. There's another blue one. Why is there another blue one? Wait, guys.
Where's Rocco?
I let him go, Pets. I knew he couldn't let me without me, so I put him a robo one.
You should have given him to me.
Yan ba'y dalawa dito nakahiwalay kinuha mo?
Ayoko.
Ay, hindi yun sa akin.
I'm back, and so let's open it. And my brother is in big trouble, so yep. And now we are going to open the pink one, and then last but not, we're going to do the Batman one. Here's the pink one. We're going to do the spin. The last but not least, Batman. Open this thing. Ooh, let's see what is the skin. So now let's spin it. And we're gonna see what the spinning looks like. Wait, guys.
Time to get serious.
Here is the spinning. Let's look at the pink. So, if you want to look at more fidget spinner videos, just click and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.